All right, do some crappie fishing today. Here's Hunter's second double.
Yeah.
This is...
He's a sexy little man, obviously.
This is 15 and 16. No, 14 and 15.
Him the crappie master.
It's 14 and 15.
Look at those hogs. Those are beasts, too. I mean, these aren't little crappie. 2 at a time for the Goose Meister out here on CJ.
Not up in here.
Not up in here. Sweetums. Look at those babies.
Can I take them off now?
Yeah, come put them in the thingamajigger. He's absolutely
slaying you guys.
Yeah, he's making us our girlfriend.
So here's most of mostly
yeah, look at that. Look at that basket.
Mostly hunters.
And those are just full of tanks. Every one of them.